If you could give us a little bit of prayers and thoughts for the East Coast, Buffalo, New York area, we are getting a massive snowstorm. Not only is it like feet and feet of snow, it's very bad. I'm gonna give you a look here, so you can see a little bit of what's going on. So I don't know if you could see any of that, but it's just keeps going. Everything on the streets is that's just snow. There's been no plows. You can kind of see a little bit of how we tried to get some of the cars out, but the cars are just completely buried. It's really really bad. So here is the look from the other room in my house. Really in a state of an emergency. I'm going to show you here. Until we can get in there to see it for ourselves, we've got a lot of response on that. We do want to appreciate you for that. We do want to say thank you for that. Be sure to keep sending us your photos also. You can do it a lot of different ways. Here's some of them. We are getting our photos mostly through Twitter. A great way to send us your photos to hashtag WGRZSnow. You can also post your videos to our Facebook page. We love seeing videos. Shoot it horizontally, please, on your cell phone. Send that to Facebook. You can also download our WGRZ app and use the Your Take section on that phone to send us your photos. And you can also email us your photos and video. And that email address is photos@wgrz.com. All right, we're going to take a break here. And then we'll be so the snow is supposed to keep going probably into tomorrow, into Thursday, and a little bit into Friday, and then back Saturday is going to go back to normal. Right now what's happening is we're getting lake effect snow, which is, it's just really, really bad. There's at least 7, 8, 9 feet of snow out there. People are stranded on roads. All of our throughways are closed because it's just so bad. People are getting stuck. We've literally been getting 2 to 4 inches per hour. It just keeps coming down. Literally, let me see if you can see it. Literally like that. It just keeps coming down. It's not stopping. So it's really, really bad. And actually, what's even worse is that this is one of our first snowfalls that we've had this winter, and it's already turned into a blizzard of 2014. So it's really bad. Keep us in your thoughts and your prayers. Just, it's really nasty, and keep the people that are not in their homes in your thoughts. People are stranded on streets and in their cars with no gas and cold. So, like I said, we're in a state of emergency. It's bad. Hope, what do you have to say? Anything? Do you want to tell them anything? How do you feel about the snow? How do you feel about it? Yeah. How do you feel? How do you feel about the snow? Yeah. Anyway, guys, just this fast little video. I wanted to try to get this up here before we do lose power. So peace and love. Be cool, be kind, don't judge. And I hope wherever you are, it's warm and toasty, and we're not dealing with this madness. You can't even see our cars. They're buried, completely buried. The street, you can't even see people's cars. You can't see, they're buried. It's a complete whiteout. So, like I said. Oh, and there's driving bans, and if you get caught driving, you will get a ticket and you'll get arrested. It's really bad, guys. the police are asking for snowmobiles to try to help people. It is just consumed with snow. It's very difficult for crews to get their own emergency vehicles through the snow. That's why they're using snowmobiles to try to get to places that are of higher elevation and trying to serve people who have medical needs. Those are all the travel bans. It really has been. So there's the list there. Let me go through them one more time. Where we are. What you see on the screen is South Buffalo, Town of Hamburg, Village of Hamburg, Blaisdell, Evans, Town and Village of Lancaster, Marilla, Alma, Town and Village of Orchard. Anyway, it's really bad, guys. So thank you for listening, and like I said, keep us in your thoughts and your prayers. It's really actually quite scary. I was supposed to have a doctor's appointment tomorrow, which is canceled, and I have to go now on Saturday, and hopefully the storm will be a little bit better by hopefully way before Saturday, but you never know. So I love you guys. Be cool, be kind, don't judge. I'm just hanging out in pajamas. It's like a snow day. We can't get out. Our doors are jammed with snow. It's just crazy. Anyway, I love you guys, and I hope you're all doing well. Also, I will make a video soon letting you guys know about my surgery and all that stuff. So I love you guys so much. Have a good day.